guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Lindsey. So today we'll be starting off with a natural hair tutorial. Now somebody said to me the other day, Lindsey, I want to see you do some natural hair stuff, no extensions. So I said, alright, bet say less. So we're gonna be doing a Flexi Rod set. So I started off with freshly washed and stretched blow dried hair, and I have some Flexi Rods, and that is the mousse I'm gonna be using, and then I'm just gonna be using my gel. Now guys, so I'm just gonna be detangling or combing up my hair with my white tooth comb. Can you imagine that the entire time I've been natural, this is the first time I've ever done a Flexi Rod set on my hair? I'm not gonna tell no lie, I'm ashamed, but nothing tried, nothing done, first time everything. So I already set the back of my head with the Flexi Rods. I just used the small ones, and if you see me with two big jumbo ones, it's because I just ran out of that size, and I'll just show you guys how much mousse I'm using, just enough so my hair doesn't revert back to its curly state. So what I started out by doing, because I wanted as much definition as possible, I did twist the roots of my hair, just a 2-strand twist, and then I just attached the Flexi Rod at the roots and I wrapped my hair around it. And then the gel that I showed you guys earlier, I just used that to rub the ends just to keep it in place, and I just kind of did that fish hook Flexi Rod thing. I don't know, I say all of the big YouTuber them do it. So again, I just put some mousse. I didn't add any water. I just, after I stretch my hair, just straight with the mousse. Then I did a small little 2-strand twist at the roots just to prevent it from being puffy. Then I just grabbed the Flexi Rod and wrapped it from the roots around, gel the ends to hold it in place, and then I just folded the Flexi Rod around, and that is it. Oh, another thing, I folded the hair, or wrapped the hair in the direction I wanted it to fall. So I wanted it to fall, you know, that cute like look that you see everybody have, where like they have some hair falling in their face, and my hair is a little bit longer now. So I say, yes, no, my time to shine. I know my hair can do this. So I just wrapped or rolled the hair and the Flexi Rod in the direction I want the hair to fall. Now you see how sometimes I said I did a 2-strand twist at the root. My hair have a mind of its own, and yes, sometimes the 2-strand twist did not hold up, but it helped in some of them. For maybe 2, 3, maybe 4 of the rods, I did wrap from the end rolling up, because I just wanted to see if there was a difference, but I didn't really see much of a difference. And just hold the gel just helped to hold the ends of the hair in place. It doesn't really matter, it's kind of how you decide to roll it. There are many different ways to do a Flexi Rod set, but as I said, this is my first time doing it, and this is just how I decided to wrap. And I always have a thing where my roots are puffy, so I just decided to start with my roots. Let me know down below how you like to do your Flexi Rod set, and you know, tell me your results, tell me what it's been like for you, because as I said, I'm new to this Flexi Rod thing. I know, surprise but if you know me by now, if you're not new to my channel, I love a good protective style, so don't kill me. Alright, so finally finished. As I said, I have the 2 jumbo ones there because I ran out of the size. Sorry sis, I just took some of your rods. Anyway, so I'm just gonna grab my Revlon blow dryer and just kinda, well, blow dry the rods. I know some people sit under the dryer or they want it to air dry, but I don't know, I just felt like doing this extra step. Now I'm gonna wrap my hair up with my satin head tie. I'm laughing at myself because I thought like this whole time I wondering how I was going to go to sleep, and I just thought I looked so ridiculous with this big poofy thing on my head. But as always, you know, we do the thing over here, we make it work. So I just wrapped my hair up with my satin head scarf, and then I just left my hair like that overnight. Okay, so it's the next morning, and I'm just gonna unravel these Flexi Rods. Like guys, I'm not gonna tell no lie, I had no idea how this was gonna turn out. I have my oil ready, cause you know, to prevent frizziness. So I'm just gonna go ahead and gently unravel. So I didn't do anything special, I just roll them, and that was me being super surprised at the first curl. So as I said, I'm just gonna go ahead and just unravel the rest of the rods. Say a quick prayer before we separate, and now we're gonna separate the curls. So I just grabbed my DIY oil mixture. If you want to know what I use for my DIY oil mixture, comment down below. It's really good. And now for each curl, I just went ahead and I kind of separated about 3 to 4 times because my hair is very fine, low density, so I just wanted as much volume as possible. So I just separated about 3-4 times, and then you see me separating, and then some of them I kind of just twine my finger around just to kind of keep the shape of the curl. Some I did, some I didn't, and just, you know, see how it looking. And I just regularly reapplied the oil just to prevent as much frizz as I can. So now that we finished separating, I'm just gonna grab my pick and pick from the root up. Remember not to comb through, you're just doing this just for extra volume. So just pick from the roots up, not out. And no, you don't have to do this step, but I couldn't help myself. I just had to do my edges just a little bit. So I'm gonna grab my Luster's pink oil sheen and just spray it on my hair, and then we are basically done. Like, I just kind of went ahead and just teased my hair a little bit with my fingers, maybe went back in with the pick a little bit, just, you know, little zhuzh as we usually say, just to build up the volume on the body just a little bit, maybe separate just a little more as much as we can. But yeah guys, we're basically, hold on, I'm still playing around here. Yeah, okay, yeah, we're basically done. Alright guys, so this is how my Flexi Rod set on my whole head came out. I really liked it for my first time ever doing a Flexi Rod set on my entire head, like my first time being natural. So as always, thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to this channel, and follow me on all socials at __ Lindsey Beth. Like, this style, super quick, super easy, super cute. So what I then decided to do, because I love a good mohawk, I decided to just grab a few bobby pins and try to see if I could manipulate this style and create like a little cute little curly mohawk, which I did. So let me know down below what tips and tricks you have for the perfect Flexi Rod set. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching, and as always, till next time, bye guys.